Today's video, I'm going to show you how to peel and roast a pepper. And this is a really simple way to make your dishes taste absolutely incredible. Stick around, you're going to want to see this. Hi, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to peel and roast a pepper. Peeling and roasting a pepper is the fastest way to make a dish taste absolutely amazing. You can of course just chop the pepper up and throw that in your food, but roasting it will give a really delicious flavour to it. This is a simple video, but it can be tricky if you've not done this before and you don't know how. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. All you will need for this recipe is a red pepper or a green pepper or an orange one, whatever pepper you feel like really. And you'll need a baking tray, and all you need to do is take your pepper and pop it on your baking tray, and you just put this in your oven 180 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until the skin goes black. We'll show you what I mean in a second. So we're going to take our pepper out of the oven. It should look something like this. Once it does, we're just going to take a bowl, we're going to pop that there, we're going to take our tongs and we're just going to transfer our pepper to our white bowl, just like that. Let's move our baking tray out of the way. We're just going to take our cling film and we are just going to wrap our bowl containing our pepper. And we're just going to take our knife and then we're just going to cut straight through the cling film like that. And then we're just going to wrap our bowl nice and tight. Now what we need to do is we need to pop that in the fridge or to the side for 25 to 30 minutes, let it completely cool down. And once it does, here's one I made earlier. It should look something like this. I'm just going to open this up, take it out of the bowl. All you need to do now is simply just peel the skin off of your pepper and it should come away really easily. We're just going to flip it over and we're going to peel the other side. We'll pull out the middle bit and pop that in there. So now we're going to take our knife again, we're just going to cut into the middle of our pepper and then we're going to open it up. And this is the bit where we just take all the seeds out. And all we need to do now is turn it back over and just slice it. So yeah guys, as you can see, you're going to get these lovely red pepper strips like that. And that's going to be absolutely amazing in a pasta bake or a red pepper and walnut pesto. These are recipes that are coming up, so make sure you hit that subscribe and like button so you find out when I release these videos. So all we need to do now is we need to take our bowl, we're going to pop that there, and we're going to put our red pepper strips into our bowl. So yeah, that's how you roast and peel a pepper. It's really simple to do and it will absolutely transform your meals, I promise you this. Pop it in your oven just before you start preparing your meal, and by the time it comes to adding it in, it'll be nice and ready. So guys, anyway, that's all we've got time for. Thanks for watching, take care of yourselves, until next time, we'll see you again soon. Thank you, bye bye.